Alright punks, welcome back, and in this video we are going to be designing the details page. So this is the home page. Look how beautiful it is, and let me bump this up a little bit. Alright, there we go. So the home page, it says here are all of my albums, and then we can go ahead and choose one, but when we click on it, alright, so we just have this really boring text right there. But what I want to happen on this details page is I'm going to have the album cover logo, and then under it maybe I'll have the the album title in bold, and then all of the songs. So now that we finally have some songs in there, I think it'll be cool. Alright, so let's go ahead and delete this. Don't need that anymore. And again, I'm working in music, templates, music, detail.html. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add image, source, and let me just get everything kind of taken care of right now. So this is going to be the album logo, and then I'm going to have a heading 1, and I'll just say that this is going to be the album title, and I'm just going to have all my songs is an unordered list. So list item, there you go. Maybe I'll have the artist name as like a heading 3 or something. That'd be kind of cool. Say artist. Now the album logo belongs to the class album. So if we just go ahead and write album, that's the class. Album logo, that should display the logo right on top. Now the album title also belongs to the class album. So album title, and the artist also belong to the class album. Alright, looking good, mate. So for displaying the songs, it's not going to be quite as easy, but pretty easy. So remember, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to make a for loop. So what we're going to do is we're going to loop through all of the songs or items in the album's song set, just like we learned in the last video. Now remember, anytime we use actual code, we need those different symbols. So for each item, and I might as well just call it a song. So for each song in the album's song set, and we're just getting all of the songs, so we can just write all. And before I forget, let me just end this loop. And anytime you want to end a for loop, the syntax is end for. So there you go. And now we just have to do this. I'll write the song title, and then I'll write a little hyphen, and just because we can, I'll write the song file type. So just like that. So for the song title, it was just a variable named song title, which belonged to the class song. Now I'm going to copy this because I'm lazy, and do the same thing for file type. So how quick is that? So hopefully when I go to one of these pages, oh nice, man. Oops, I forgot the artist name. So the artist, we forgot to write album. Alright, so that should be a little bit better. And by the way, I didn't want to get sued by using the actual album cover, so I just made this sweet one myself. It took me like 5 hours, not a big deal, but there you go. So again, this is our homepage, and whenever we click it, according to our template, it prints out or displays all of this beautiful information. Now for our other album, we actually don't have any songs, but it still has the logo, and of course the album title and the band's name. I think it will be a little bit cooler if we use heading 2. Alright, that looks a little bit better. So looking good. I mean, this is one of the most beautiful websites I've ever seen. I think probably the second one, the number one website would be Craigslist in my opinion, but look how well designed this is. And yeah, we use the template. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.